This morning I'm here in my kitchen making chicken, mushroom and leek pie with meadow mushrooms, and then we are going to get the chicken into a pan. I've got 50 grams of melted Westgold salted butter already in here, nice and hot. The chicken is going to go in. I'm using 250 grams of meadow mushrooms, white button mushrooms. First we're going to remove the browned chicken, just sizzling away here. And then into our hot pan, we're going to add all the chopped up veggies that we did. We've got the leek, the spring onion, and the meadow mushrooms. Also into the pan, our fresh thyme, 2 tablespoons, and also a cup of chopped bacon. And we're just going to cook this down. We're going to add the browned chicken back into the pan. And also, in goes creme fraiche. Yum! And a tablespoon of mustard. Now here I've got a baking tray lined with baking paper. So easy using frozen sheets. They overlap, that's fine. We're going to get our delicious filling that we've made here, and we're just going to spoon it on. Yeah, so baking tray is best with frozen puff pastry rather than a pie dish. Now we're going to seal the edge. I'm going to crimp round with a fork. This is going to make a quick egg wash for the top. That's covered nicely. A couple of slits in the top just to let some steam escape. That's ready to cook in the oven for 30 minutes or until golden. Here it is, the finished pie, chicken, mushroom and leek pie, all puffed up and golden.